Hello. Yeah. Anyway, this is the inner fender. Trying to. Okay, you can see it's on the inside clamped, and if you look real careful, right here, there's an edge of the metal right here, which I'm plucking on. This is the outer fender, and this is the inner fender. So anyway, this is welded to this little piece right here, which is the inner flange, and then this is the outer flange, and there's a seam right here. So I'm welding this to the inner fender and wrapped it around, and I made it first. And then I'll make a patch and wrap it around, and then butt weld this edge right here. And I'll weld it back here on this outer metal and up here on the top. And here I'm going to cheat. I'm going to just weld it. I'm going to weld it right here because it's only overlapped that much and it won't matter. But anyway, you can see here where I'm welding to the inner fender. And there I didn't, but down here there is no inner fender. So I have to make this inner fender right here in this corner. But here, that is the inner fender here and the outer fender. So I'm going to weld this to this patch right here and around, and then on the inside, and then make another patch that goes from the yellow part down around and then butt weld it up in. But I don't know if I can put the camera here to do anything much more. I might be able to, since it's only a couple minutes in here. Okay, I'm going to weld a little bit here, see how it goes. At least get it spotted. Some thin stuff. But it's working. some of this I'll have to get from behind. That's for sure. Well, anyway, that's basically what I'm talking about. So anyway, the next, I have to finish welding this around, and of course fix where I got a couple holes in behind it. But that is kind of how I am doing the inner fender part. As you can see, it's oh well, that little V there. And as I said, right here is the edge, like right here, about 1/4 of an inch away back from that V is an edge where this metal starts. So I'll weld my patch out here, and then I have to put a patch triangle in here because they had that full of foam, and that goes through the trunk. And then, of course, this seam, this corner down here has to be welded. And also, to make things even worse, this wheel well, the reason why these wheel wells rust is they put foam in between. They spot weld the inner fender and the outer fender, and they put a layer of foam, like kind of like a caulking gasket between it, so undercoating doesn't get to it. So I'm going to heat this whole edge red hot when I'm done on both sides and melt that caulking out, so hopefully the undercoating can get to it, because that wheel well here is still quite solid. But anyway, yep, I'll continue welding away. See you later.